25 now, 30, 30, 25 now, 30. 700 now, half, 700 now, half. 600 now, 7, 600 now, 7. $25 now, 30, 30 now, 40, 40 now, 50. 10,000 now, 10, 1, you bought it. 300 been now, half, you bought it. 3,800 now, 39, you bought it.
Which one do you think Billy'd be the least mad about?
I don't know, they got a little lawnmower here somewhere?
Bought it, 169, 2,600.
2,600.
$2,600 for that Mustang skid steer. What do you think this 4640 is gonna go for? Maybe about 3,000?
1,500 on this one here. No, for the tires. 12,000.
Yeah, I say about 15.
15,000.
All right, on your 4640. 6,000 now, 65. 6,000 now, 65. Go 65. 6,000 now, 65. 79 now, 8,000. 79 now, 8,000. You bought it 7,900.
What about the one that has fire damage? 12,000.
Yeah, probably about 12 on this one.
On your 4450. Now, fellas, it's kind of obvious it's had a fire. But when I asked Gene to start moving this house, this is the tractor he jumped on. So apparently he still had confidence in it right along. 5,000 now 6, 5,000 now 66, 5,000 now 65, 7 now 75, 75 now 8, 75 now 8, now 85, 10,000 now 10, 1, 10,000 now 10, 1, you bought it 10,000, 151.
Hey brother, how's it feel up there?
I feel like a farmer, like a real farmer.
Tell you what, man, them old things are running like a tip top, ain't they? Can y'all hear that?
87 and a half now 9,000. 9,000 now 92 and a half. 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 9,92 and a half.
This farm loves some John Deeres.
95 now 97 and a half. 10 and a quarter now 10.5. 10 and a quarter now 10.5. Your way, Doug. 10 and a quarter. Alright, fellas, they said when they parked this, the motor was running good, it was locked in fourth gear, and they could not get the transmission out of fourth gear. But the motor was running good. Now, I'm not saying it's been a few days, but we picked the front end up and pulled it over the trees that big around. They got fast growing trees down here. 4,300 now 44. 4,300 now 44. You bought it 4,300 number.
What a deal.
169. 48 now 49. You bought it 4,800 number. 151. 17 and a half now 2,000. You bought it 17 and a half number 155.
This is next.
All right. 700 now half a half. 700 now half. You bought it $700 number.
$700.
110 on your 4230 with the loader. 5,000 now 55. 5,000 now 55. Get 55. 5,000 now 55. 5,000 now 55. Get 55. 5,000 now 55. 62 and a half now 65. 75 now 76. 75 now 76. 75 now, I'm with Dick. I'm with you, buddy. 75 now, 76. 75 now, 76 now, 77. 8,200 now, 3. 83 now, 4. 83 now, 4. 83 now, 44. 83 now, 4. 83 now, 44. 8,300 now, 4. 8,300 now, 4. Right there, 8,300. All right, on your John Deere 4230. 5,700 now, 8 and 8. 5,700 now, 8. 5,700 now, 8. Number 151, 5,700.
5,700. Better get off here. There's just the one they're auctioning off next. They may think I'm coming with it.
4,000 now 45. 4,000 now 45. You're 45. 68 now 69. 68 now 69. 68 now 69. Your weight key 6,800. 96. Selling the second one first. 1,000 now 1,100. 1,000 now 1,100. 1,100 now 13. 13 now 14. 13 now 14 now 15. 14 now 15 now 16 now 17. 1,600 now 17. 154. 1,600.
I didn't hear this one running. I heard everything else running.
You got Hayden down there swinging his arm like pudding.
All right, we got a sell the forklift. Heist the 40 forklift. Yes, sir.
Ride.
3,000 now 35. 3,000 now 35. Get 35. 3,000 now 35. 5,100 now 2. 5,100 now 2. Number 169. 5,100. 1,900 now 2,000. 2,000. 1,900 now 2,000 now 21. 2,100 now 2. 2,100 now 2. Your weight key 2,100.
He just bought him a sprayer. Looks like a plane.
3,000 now 35.
Oh, this John Deere custom sprayer.
Now 3,500. 4,000 now 45. 4,000 now 45. You bought it $4,000. 24 now.
So you got this John Deere 6,000 sprayer here.
3,000
No
now
cab.
31. 3,000 now 31. 5. 3,400 now 5. You bought it 3,400. Number 75.
Wow, look at that.
Dang, that's a tour you bring home, huh?
I like that.
John Deere 4710. Let's walk under here. I tell you what, if you had to change the oil, it wouldn't be too bad, would it?
No, it wouldn't. Hey, look how it adjusts. Air ride and hydraulic.
Sure enough.
Check out that, you low rider boys out there. Look at this thing right here. This is a massive piece of equipment.
I'll tell you what, they got a fire escape ladder.
I don't know about that though. That's pretty cool, Will. Hey, this is Puddin' stuff right here. I hate to keep bringing up Puddin', but since we was just talking about it, he loves these internationals, and I would not know what these are if I did not watch Puddin'. This is an International Lodestar, not sure of the year, but Mr. Puddin's getting ready to build one. Pretty sure it's what it is. He'd probably be drilling over this one right now. Oh God, Puddin', look at this.
Oh
man, if you watch our video, you're gonna like this. Look, this is a clean truck. I'm not even joking. Look at this thing. 160,000 miles.
that is clean looking.
I'm not lying. Look at the seat in it. It ain't rusted out. It's in great. Look at the international floor mat right there. Look at that, how perfect. Man, that thing is nice. The door shuts like brand new. That's a nice truck right there. Old Puddin's gonna be drooling when he sees that. If that thing goes cheap, we might just ship that thing out to Oklahoma for that daggone Puddin. Hey, look. Hey, like that, buddy.
Puddin' ain't watching this channel.
He might watch your channel, brother.
A copy of which is included in this sales package. Please take a successful bidder required to sign a copy of the sales. 21 acre tract. That's both sides of the road. That's this side and over there where the cows are. 150,000 once, 150,000 twice. Right here, subject to court confirmation, 150,000. Ladies and gentlemen, that concludes the real estate. Let's move up to the front and start on the equipment. 900 now half, 900 now half. You bought it $900, 106. All right, pull me up, driver. 300 I've been now half. You bought it $300, number.
Tom could have planted that many rows of tobacco at one time, huh?
5027. 100 quarter now half, you have 100 quarter now half, 100 quarter now half. You bought it $125.
Got Seadrill here.
200 now quarter. 600 now half, you have 600 now half, 600 now half. You bought it $600, number 149. 300 now quarter. 300
Be on
now
this
quarter
cultivator.
now half, 3 and a quarter now half. 3 and a quarter now half. You bought it 3 and a quarter, number 92. 6.5 now, 7, 6.5 now, 7, 6.5 now, 7. You bought it 6.5, number 106.
Went for 6.5. That's pretty cheap, huh?
That is cheap. 60 now, 70, 60 now, 70,
A regular for the back of your track, a little bitty one for 6.5.
80 dollar bid now, 90, 98 dollar bid
Talking about this bush hog right here.
90 now 100, 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 90 now 100. You bought it $90.
$90 on a bush hog.
All right. Buy the first one. If you want the second one for the same money, you can get the second one. For 200 now, quarter, 100 I got now, quarter.
If you're into tobacco, this might not be a bad buy.
175 now, 200. 175 now, 200. You bought it 106. Take some both.
Believe that, man? 100.5.
I know it's going cheap, ain't it?
You're getting the real and the good. Real and good. 300 now half. 300 I'll be now half. You have 300 now half. 300 now half. You have 300 now half. Heading north. 3.5 now 4. 3.5 now 4. 4. 3.5 now 4. Fellas, we put a hydraulic hose, I don't know, 25-foot hydraulic hose on this side. So I know you're going to have to put one hydraulic hose on this side. All right, on the Phoenix, 2,000, now 22.5, 2,000 to 22.5 to 22.5, 2,000 to 22.5, 38 to 39. I'm on the internet with the internet, 38 to 39. 38 to 39, 38 to 39, 38 to 39, 3,800 now 39, 3,800 now 39. You bought it. 500 now, 600 now 7, 600 now 7, 600 now 7.
It's that Chevy C60 dump truck.
700 now half, 700 now half, 700 now half. You weigh key, $700, number 106. Alright. Alright, on your liquid applicator.
Liquid
On your
nitrogen or
liquid
something.
fertilizer nitrogen applicator. 500 now 6, 500 all been now 6, 500 all been now 6, 500 all been now 6, 400 all been now having your half, 400 all been now half, internet's way $400. 3.5 now 4, you bought it 3.5, number 111. 375 now 400, 375 now 400, 400, you bought it. Quarter, 100 been now quarter, 100 been now quarter, 100 quarter now half, 100 quarter now half, you have 100 half now 75, 175 now 200, 175 now 200, you bought it. On your 91 Chevrolet, 500 now half, you have 500 now half, 500 now half, you bought it $500, Kevin. All right, on your next one, 97 model. 6.5 now 7, 7, 6.5 now 7, 6.5 now 7, you bought it 6.5, number 58. 4.5 now 5 to 5, 4.5 now 5, 4.5 now 5 to 5, 4.5 now 5, 4.5 now 5, you bought it.
So I know these curing bars are for sale, but you got one of them, 2 of them over to your 1800s farm, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so 1800s homestead, he's got a couple.
Just like this one.
Yeah, just like this one. But I'll be interested in these silos. But man, getting them things home.
Just get them laid down.
Yeah.
Really, you did it used for them, you know. Yeah, they're selling them here. Look, got numbers.
Yeah, other than looks, the best one's that one over there. The big round one. I could get in there and do some acoustic singing.
Absolutely. Get in there.
You ever seen that Sounds Like Rain?
Hey, do Carolina Hill Country in there.
You ever seen that YouTube channel Sounds Like Rain?
No.
It's this family, man. They sing Christian music, like gospel music, and they do it inside silo, man.
Oh man.
And it's beautiful, man. It's awesome.
Won't you go here and sing Carolina Hill Country?
Nah, I ain't.
Hill.
Nah, I'm good. We gotta hit the road.
Man up.
We gotta hit the road. We gotta hit the road. Hey, remember Daddy had a silo at the house?
We had one at the house, played in it. We used to play in it.
What'd he do with it?
I don't know whatever happened to that thing. He sold it, I guess. Anything behind me?
I don't know. Take it through the farm. I dare you to drive through the farm.
Is anything behind me? Oh my goodness. Is there anything behind me? Hey, this thing runs good. You go look at this. I understand. Look at that. They've cut the back off and put it back on the same way as the one Mr. Goodpliers found. Him and his buddy. I can't never remember his buddy's name, but they always go together. But they found this short bus, and it wasn't on a frame or not, but it was already built together like this. And I think theirs might have been a little bit shorter than that. Yep. But that's still a pretty short one there.
Okay, what you're saying is they still got us beat.
Yeah, they got us beat. It was a long ways away. I couldn't see good. And, well, yeah, we're defeated still. Theirs is a little bit shorter.
1,800 and 19. 1,800 and 2,000. 1,900 and 2,000. 2,021.
That's short, man.
2021. 21. I think it's 21. That's 22. 22. That's 23. 22. That's 23. 22. That's 23. 2,200 now 23, 2,200 now 14, 1,300 now 14, 1,300 now 14, 1,300 now 14, 1,300 now 14, 1,400 now 15.
It probably is, really. It might honestly be.
1,500 now 16, 1,500 now 16. Where are you at? 1,500 now 16. 1,500 now 16.
It ran good.
1,600 now 17. 1,700 now 18. 1,700 now
I just want it because it was a prison bus, you know what I'm saying? Because you can't hobble like 3 or 4 inmates in there now, you know. Well, I don't know, with COVID and all that, you probably can't get but 2 in there, you know.
19 by 19, 1,800 now 19. 1,800 by 19, 1,800 now 19.
Put you a little toy hauler on the back and put you a sleeper in the back of it, man. Right here.
It'd be a good one to
Yeah.
take to the racetrack and pull a car with it.
Oh, yeah. You could put your little razor on the back and daggone it, put your bed in the back, make a camper. Man, that thing could have been awesome here. Why didn't you help me go in on
What'd
that?
it go for? I didn't hear what it went for.
Anybody know what that went for?
Go ahead,
You know?
ask.
I used to drive an international
How
How much
bus.
did that go for? I didn't pay attention. 1,800. Thank you, sir. Thank you. I wonder how bad I hurt myself.
That thing looked like my bus when I was in
That
high
thing would have been awesome.
It looked like his. Hey, it looked like his bus when he was in prison.
Carolina, hill country, 13 acres on 134.